Hajj is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. It's every Muslim's desire to perform Hajj at least once in his lifetime. Each year, lakhs of Indian pilgrims perform Hajj through Hajj Committee of India. In its effort to guide and help pilgrims during their journey, the committee has developed Haj Suvidha mobile application designed to simplify and enhance pilgrimage experience. From registration and document verification to updates on travel, accommodation and health services, Haj Suvidha offers all essential information and assistance at your fingertips. Download and open the Haj Suvidha mobile app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once installed, tap the icon to open the app. Choose your preferred language and click on Next. You are requested to enable push notifications to stay updated. Click on Allow. As you proceed, the app will ask for a few permissions. First, camera access. This is mandatory, so go ahead and tap Allow. Next, microphone access. Also mandatory. Tap Allow. And finally, location services. This is required for accurate guidance and updates. Click on Allow all the time to continue. These permissions are essential for identity verification and location-based services throughout your Hajj journey. Enter the mobile number that was registered as the username on the Hajj Committee website, and you will also need to enter MPIN. Always remember your MPIN. Enter your MPIN and the CAPTCHA code to proceed. After successful login, you will be redirected to the user selection screen as Pilgrim. Here, you must select the profile of the specific pilgrim who will be using the app on this device. Carefully review all your details. Now, you can log in anytime and use different features of the app. Login on Haj Suvidha is easy.